control benefits women's health, not only from pregnancy but much more. From period regulation, preventing ovarian cysts, PCOS syndrome, and actually has a reduction in cancer risk. Now, let me tell you about period regulation and how it helps us. Unlike men, we have periods, which comes monthly. When it don't, it's normally a sign of pregnancy. Birth control maintains your regular period and symptoms like cramping, heavy bleeding, and also helps you be more in control of your period. And that way you're not surprised when you do start your period. Now, we all know the common contraceptive condoms. Some people use them as a form of birth control to avoid not having kids. Birth control helps with prevention of ovarian cyst. But what is an ovarian cyst? Well, an ovarian cyst is a cyst or fluid that builds up in the ovary, and it can be very painful. I was in the hospital with it at 16 for about a week. It was not the funnest thing in the world. Does anyone know any possible ovarian cyst symptoms? Well, I'm here to tell you. There's fever, vomiting, severe abdominal pain, and can also lead to dizziness, weakness, bleeding, which is not fun at all. Which is the reason why I actually started using birth control. Next, I would like to discuss PCOS. Many of you ladies have probably heard the term before, but from that, many of y'all know that it leads to infertility if it's not treated properly. It is normally caused by the hormone androgen. It also involves insulin. Insulin resistance. Like many have in the past used this term as ovarian dysfunction. Like many other diseases, it could lead to male pattern hair growth, which is normally diagnosed by an OBGYN. They normally do a vaginal ultrasound or do blood work, and sometimes they recommend treatment with birth control, which can be in a vaginal ring. Birth control has seemed to help the reduction in cancers for women. For the most effective example pill is IUD, because they contain synthetic hormones and it lasts many years of use. But birth control for each woman is different. And each woman can have many health issues, which is why some things may work for one woman, but not for all women. That's why they have IUDs, birth control pills, the Depo shot, and much more. That helps them control which is their form of birth control use.